Okay, so here is how the narrator works. This is actually using the Dubb desktop app. So this will be a separate thing, but you can install this right here, dubb.com/desktop-app. There will be a full tutorial for this built into the website, right? So if you just click here, type in the word desktop into the search, and it will give you the full tutorial for the Dubb desktop app. So right in here, there's the search, type in desktop. You'll find the full tutorial for this. Once the desktop app is downloaded, now we can truly scale the one-to-one efforts by using a VA or another salesperson, or even ourselves. It's slightly easier even doing it ourselves. We record one video one time. It's the, hey, thanks for connecting, or the value proposition. And the difference is, before's example, we were actually saying their name. Hey, Ruben, great to connect. But in this example, we're going to record one video one time that's generic. And then we're going to be able to recycle this video as a narrator. So like this, I have the prospects LinkedIn or webpage pulled up. Now I'm going to click on the desktop app and I'm going to open my narrator. Then I'm going to find my narrator video. There it is. And now I'm going to select this pre-recorded video that's going to say a script. It's going to say, hey, thanks for connecting. The reason I wanted to connect with you is because, so it's almost the same exact script as I gave before, except this one doesn't say the first name. So I press record, it does the countdown. Now, hey there, it's Darius. I just wanted to put a quick face to the name. So they're going to deliver the script that I recorded, and this could be a VA, a salesperson, or even myself. Maybe I lost my voice. I just don't want to make any more videos. So I can take this pre-recorded video and put it on top of this screen. And so now when I look at this, this looks like a hyper-personalized video. And so once you've uploaded that, you'll see that it looks as though I created this video myself on top of Ruben's LinkedIn profile. Whereas a VA or a junior salesperson or somebody can come knock out hundreds of these without me actually being there. So this is how you can scale your one-to-one outreach with hyper-personalization while it looks very personalized when in fact it's the same video sent to many different people. So that's it for this training, but we have plenty more where that came from. So if you'll consider liking, subscribing, and potentially sharing this video, goes a long way and we greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, consider joining the Dubb Coaching Program. You can even check out a free trial and check out all the technology yourself, even join our free trainings yourself, but we'd love to work with you more closely in a one-on-one setting through Dubb Coaching. So looking forward to seeing you in the next video, or maybe in the next session.